Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2014 420D M Sport Convertible. The car is presented in Alpine White and we've added our full YNC enhancement package to the car. And it also comes with a set of the brand new 20-inch CS style alloy wheels in gloss black. At the front you'll notice two things: the Angel Iron Xenon headlamps and the private registration that is currently owned to the car, which is a really nice registration to have, of course, especially if that is your name or even your initials. Around at the side we've got gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals. I've currently got the roof up, as you can see. However, I'll be showing you that in action shortly. Towards the end of the video, also showing you with the car with the roof all the way down. Black Dakota leather, heated front seats, electric movement, memory for driver's side, ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement, and as you can see, it's all been really well looked after in this car, especially for the age of the vehicle. It's in really great condition, and of course all of those nice additions that we've added really do help it stand out, as does the Alpine White and then the gloss black of our exterior styling package. So for your boot space on a 4 Series convertible, it is still very big indeed. If we lift up the storage tray, as you can see there, we still have a good amount of room, and we'll simply close that back down and move on around to the driver's side now, where once again everything's really nice and clean and tidy. Those really stunning alloy wheels. Inside we've got a multi-function M Sport steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well. If we go ahead and start the car, it's covered just over 62,000 miles. We've got the Bmw Business Navigation and media on this car. I'll get that roof folded down now, and immediately you'll see just how much light we're going to get in the car. It's really quick, easy to do. Get the roof folded away. You can do it at speeds of 15 miles an hour and below. So of course really handy should you get caught in a bit of a rain shower, not uncommon here in the UK of course. And that's the roof pretty much folded away now. We'll get an audible noise. There we go. Dual climate controls along with switches for the front heated seats. DAB radio, as well as a wide array of multimedia inputs, including Bluetooth, AUX and USB inputs, as well as Bluetooth telephone. So there is a look around at this very striking 420D M Sport convertible. Quickly show you around the exterior now. We've got that roof folded away, and as you can see, whether the roof is up or down, they do make for a very nice looking car indeed. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. For further information, see the contact information below in the description. Thanks guys, take care, and bye bye.